First clip of the day right here. We got my baby.
I'm so gross right now.
Making my lunch. What we got there, baby?
1 pound of ground beef and a packet of cream cheese.
Ooh. Looks pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm. That looks pretty good.
You love me?
Mm-hmm.
Love you too. What you eating there, babe?
I'm eating eggs with cheese and ground beef with my Kite Hill jalapeno cream cheese.
Is it pretty good? I haven't had that yet.
It's really good. It's my
Really
favorite.
good? It does look pretty tasty.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Alright, y'all, so another day of paradise in brick making world. Headed over there right now to see kind of what our operation's looking like. I've been stuck on a computer doing inventory and whatnot, but let's see what we got over here. Sneaking up on our workforce here. We got a new one. We got a new one. Who we got here? Trish in the building.
And Trish looks really good after her 13-mile run this morning.
Hey, you ran 13 miles. That's pretty damn good.
On keto.
On keto. Look at that pile of bricks she's making.
I had a little bit of your brick
Oh, you did?
on my run.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
So yeah, Trish, this is Trish's second day with us. I'll let her do like a little intro. She's super cool. She's been keto for a while. She's a runner. She ran 13 miles today just on a whim. That's like her norm. So way more hardcore than me, but super cool story. I'll have her kind of introduce herself in just a moment. All right, y'all, we're gonna introduce Trish here, and we have a very rigorous hiring process here at Keto Brick. In order to get hired, you have to hold the vlog camera and talk naturally into it and tell us who you are.
Hey guys, I'm Trish Hogan. Been keto for 2 years. Wouldn't do it any other way. And love Keto Brick and Keto Savage. They're awesome. Thanks.
Alright, she's hired. Alright, y'all, it's been a successful day making bricks. We've made quite a few of them without that depositing equipment, so I'm excited to see what we're able to do when we get that depositing equipment. But it's been a productive day so far. The mixer was acting up on us a little bit, so I'm going to have to call about the warranty on that on Monday, so hopefully we can get that squared away, because it's like continually running without shutting off, which is very strange. But that's neither here nor there. Been a good day thus far, and I'm not complaining.
Alright guys, it has been a long day. I just finished the last of our dishes, and I believe the boys have started the grill to make some steaks, so let's go see what they're up to. Turn off the lights and shut everything off. Oh, look at them over there, so cute. What are you guys doing over here?
About to slap some steaks on the grill. Trying to watch the Mr. Olympia.
It's so dirty over there.
So what?
So dirty over there.
It's dirtier over here, trust me.
This is a prettier view.
Alright, y'all, so we are about to grill some steaks. We just got done making bricks. Trying to watch the Olympia on my phone. Who you rooting for, babe? Phil Heath? Or are you gonna go with Shawn Roden?
Mine are, I'm up in the air. I don't know.
Up in the air. One or the other. Corey, who you going for?
The Rock.
The Rock. Get a clip of this. This is hardcore right here. Watching the Olympia. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, we're watching it right now. The pose down. It's looking pretty good. I think Shawn might have what it takes. What do you think?
I think Shawn might do it. He might win.
We'll see. They're calling him out right now.
And Phil Heath on the center line, please.
We've seen this play out before as Phil Heath held off a fast-charging Shawn Roden several years back. And now we're going to see the rubber match.
And what's at stake? The runner-up will win $150,000. The winner will win $400,000. And in Olympia tradition, Bob Ciccarello will probably announce the winner. That's right.
Will be your 2018 Mr. Olympia. Presenting the first place award. Representing Midway West, Mr. Wilton Colley and Catherine Colley. And our IFBB Pro League President, Mr. Jim Mannion. I will now announce the winner of the 2018 Olympia. Please take the Sandow Trophy, the Olympia Gold Medal, the check for $400,000, and the title of 2018 Mr. Olympia. To our winner and new Olympian champion.
There it is.
It has happened in
Shawn
Las
Rhoden.
Vegas for just the 14th time. We have a new Mr. Olympia. The defending champion has been knocked out. Shawn Rhoden is your 2018 Olympia champion. Phil Heath's run, at least for now, will end at 7 in one of the more improbable developments. Phil Heath stands at center stage, congratulating the winner, Shawn Rhoden. And I gotta tell you, Shawn Ray, coming into this weekend, there weren't many people that would have ever dared to predict this outcome.
Absolutely, and I wasn't one of those guys that thought that for 2 seconds. However, I talked to a fellow professional bodybuilding friend of mine from Italy, Gianrico Dica, who saw Shawn Rhoden on Wednesday night the day I arrived. He has a show coming up, the Amateur Olympia in Italy next weekend. He said he saw Shawn Rhoden, and Shawn Rhoden was going to win this show. And I looked him in the eye, and I could not believe what he was saying. Shawn Rhoden has accomplished what no other man has in over 10 years.
Shawn Rhoden just made the upset, took the prize. We got a new Mr. Olympia winner, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that was the 2018 Mr. Olympia. If you're not into bodybuilding, this vlog may not interest you at all, but me, as a bodybuilder, find it fascinating to watch other competitors grinding it out on stage. I can appreciate it, I can respect it. Even though that's like an IFBB stage in which clearly nobody's natural, you gotta respect the work they're putting in, and I certainly do. Plus, I mean, that's history, y'all. I mean, Arnold Schwarzenegger's won that. Everybody knows who he is. I mean, several other competitors. Shawn Rhoden was the 14th Mr. Olympia of all time. So of all the years, I think they started doing that in '56. So of all the years they've been doing Olympia, there's only been 14 winners. So that is pretty cool. That said, you know, congrats to Shawn Rhoden. I'm going to go to bed, start the day tomorrow. We're going to train tomorrow. We're going to do back, maybe some biceps. It's going to be a good workout. It's going to be a good day. So yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Take care. Peace out. Good night. Have a good one. Sleep tight. Adios.